There is this beautiful idea which goes around when it comes to love. The idea of a perfect mate, our soulmate, the one who will come and take away all our worries, who will sweep us off our feet. But if you have ever been in love, you know that this is not at all true. People can love each other deeply and fully and still break up or end up in divorces. People can love each other and still drive each other mad and just create a very complicated bad situation for one another, such that they can't even look at each other or live with each other. So why does this happen? Because we demand perfection from love. We demand perfection from our partner. So what is it exactly that makes a relationship great? The thing which makes a relationship great is our ability to be a great teacher. Just like we teach a young child how to speak, how to walk, how to undertake a particular activity, how to listen, how to be smarter, how to maneuver the world, what to do, what not to do. These are the things that we teach a child and we expect him to understand. Your relationship is like your child. You have to be patient, you have to be nurturing, you have to be willing to teach and to learn, to make someone understand and to understand. All throughout the relationship, we have to tell our partner what we want, what we need, where they are going wrong, what they are not able to fulfill, and we also have to give them a guide as to how they can give it to us. We have to invest in making them understand. This is the only way we both are able to enjoy being a happy couple. It is on us how we teach to our partners exactly our manual. No one comes with a manual, but it's in my head. I know my own self. And that is why knowing ourselves is the first step to actually loving and being in a happy and loving relationship. After we have found parts of ourselves, we have to communicate that to our partners. And this is also a great way to know if the person actually respects you, if the person actually wants to be with you. Because if they do, the least they can do is that they reciprocate. What you know will work. Be the guardian of your relationship. Share this video with your partner so that they can also understand. This will really help for both of you not to fight so much, to actually understand each other and to develop a great foundation and a building which will just be for ages, years, however long you want it to be.